To create a service team schedule, go to Account Settings, tap Service Team, tap the plus sign in the top right hand, and look for your service team in the list or search in the bar. When you find your service team, tap next to it to check and tap Next. Here you can add a beginning date and time and an ending date and time for your schedule. If you'd like to make this a repeating schedule, toggle repeating on, and enter the start date of the repeating schedule and the end. Also, choose the days of the week that you would like this repeating schedule to be effective and the times that you would like it to be effective. Once all information is entered, simply tap Add, and that schedule will appear under your scheduled service teams. To delete a service team schedule, tap the Edit button next to the schedule, scroll up and tap Remove this service team schedule and confirm.